In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Otter.ai, whether you're managing multilingual teams or just want to transcribe in a different language. Knowing how to adjust the settings in Otter.ai can be extremely helpful. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First up, you'll need to log into your Otter.ai account. Head over to the Otter.ai website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you should see your main dashboard. This is the starting point for accessing all your transcriptions and settings, so it's helpful to be familiar with this area. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile picture. Please give that a click. This action will bring up a menu that includes several options for managing your account and settings. Now, look for the option labeled Account Settings and select it. This is your gateway to customizing many features of your Otter.ai experience, including the language settings, which we'll get to in a moment. With Account Settings open, focus on the General tab. This tab is where you'll find most of the preferences you can adjust, from interface options to language settings. You'll see a drop-down labeled Language. Click on it, and a list of available languages should appear. Browse through the list until you find the language you wish to switch to. Select your desired language by clicking on it. This change means that Otter.ai will now recognize and transcribe in the language you've chosen, making it easier for you to work with audio recordings in that language. Lastly, and this is crucial, if there's a save button or a prompt to save the changes, make sure to do so. Saving your settings ensures that the new language is applied and that you don't have to go through the process again. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language settings in Otter.ai. This small shift can have a big impact on how you use the platform, especially if you're dealing with diverse audio content. It's a handy feature that keeps Otter.ai versatile and useful for a wide range of users. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. If you encounter any issues or have questions about other features, feel free to reach out or explore additional resources. Thank you for tuning in, and happy transcribing.